What's up YouTube? It's your girl Miami, and on today's vlog I will be showing you guys how I installed my pink bob. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the full video to watch the whole detailed process of how I did it, and be sure to subscribe if you already haven't, and watch the full vlog, y'all. Thank you.
Yeah, run that shit up, go crazy. I'm a young nigga, double O, baby. Don't need help maintaining.
Truth be told, y'all, I honestly didn't even know if I was going to even have the time to create a whole unboxing thing for y'all, but I'm happy that I chose to. I truthfully like this wig because this is my second time doing this type of install with this type of brand, but I used a different color, and I'll put that in the description below as well, and as well as the link above. Click that to go to the other video that I did with the same brands. I truthfully like this wig because not only is it easy and convenient, it is cheap. It's like $60, and you could get it at your local beauty store. I'm pretty sure. It depends on where you stay. I stay in Florida, so y'all know Florida got some of the most hottest stuff. For real, for real. But it's soft. It do shed a little bit, but you just gotta work with it, and then you would just be that girl for like a week. You know, it's just something fun. So be sure to watch the full vlog to see how I installed it. Here are some of the products that I did use to make this install look the way that it needed to look. I also made sure to braid my hair flat, or you just gotta lay your hair flat, so you could definitely make sure this install really comes out to be the way that you wanted it to be, you know? All right, now once you have all of your products right by you, the first one that you're going to pick up is the HD lace. And I decided to cut out my eyes and the ears, because who want to really be doing something and you can't really see or you can't really hear? Now it is time to spray the spray of your choice. I currently use Ebin because that's what I fully like and highly recommend, honestly, truth be told. But I will apply like a good amount of layers on there, and then I'll blow dry it. And I'll keep repeating this process because, once again, I'm in Florida. It's too hot, y'all. Once you're done with making sure you have your desired amount of layers laid on, it's time to melt that lace, y'all, and let that lace sit on there for a little bit too. All right, y'all, so now it is time to cut the HD cap itself into your hairline. Basically match it up. Wherever your hairline starts, that's where you want to cut it to. But be careful, because I have cut myself numerous of times, so I don't want y'all to just try this if this is your first time doing this and end up cutting yourselves. So now you're going to just place the wig on top of the hairline just to see where your wig could be laid. I highly recommend you just taking your time while laying your wig, for real, for real. Right now you're just going to tint the lace itself. Whatever skin color you are, make sure the tint matches or is like a color. I don't know if it's lighter or darker, but that's the one that works for me, for real. And make sure y'all apply it to the wig. I applied some onto the cap itself, but you don't really have to do that. I normally put the foundation cream up on there to make sure that it's blending with my skin complexion. Now it is time to apply the glue. You don't want to put so much like I did. I just did that because I was trying to make sure that the wig sticks itself. But you could apply a little bit of glue, smear it in, and then you're going to blow dry it until it's clear. And then you would do it again for the second time. So basically, repeat the glue steps twice. Alright, y'all, so now it is time to lay the wig itself because you already matched up where you wanted it to be when you placed it up on the cap itself. So what I normally like to do is place the wig on top of my head one more time, spray some of the spray that I chose, and then once I spray one side, because I like to work part by part. Once again, I said this is a process that if you want to make sure your wig come out the way it wants to be, you have to make sure that you're taking your time. So this is a timed process. So by me working, ear to ear, but part by part, it does take some time, but it is definitely necessary because your wig gonna definitely be laid if you follow these instructions. Follow these steps for real, y'all. And then the favorite part of the video. Y'all gonna be best friends with this melting band. I kid you not. But put that melting band on once you're done with this step and blow dry it so it can fully melt your lace into your head. For real, for real. Once you're done melting your lace, you're going to want to style the wig. So I highly recommend leaving that bands on. Y'all don't currently see it on because, like I said, I was busy, so I had to rush this process. That's why y'all don't see a lot of what I normally show. But make sure y'all keep that band on and style y'all wig. For real, for real. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't, because I will be dropping more hair tutorials. Stay tuned because I do love color, so pink will not be the only fun color that I do. And also in the description below, I will let y'all see more of my work when it comes to me dyeing wigs or just doing other things. Be sure to check that out if you're interested in seeing what colors I've done in the past. Now, normally I usually use another melting band once I'm done styling the wig itself, because I like to make sure that my edges look good too. So that is the final results. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you already haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure y'all interact with me in the comments and let me know what y'all think.
Run that shit up, go crazy.